Hi guys, I'm Sean. Today I'll be presenting about science of cooking. So there's one way our ancestors from primitive ages have discovered to cook food is heat. So you know how your mom asked you to not drink your spoiled milk 20 years ago in your refrigerator? That's because it contains germs. A way to kill those germs is heat. So usually back in the day it's just pot and campfire. But now there's many more ways to cook food, like conduction. So you know how when you put a strip of paper, tin foil, around a battery, it heats up and then lights on fire and then burns your fingers. That's because electricity and its electrons kind of hits each other and creates heat. This is discovered by somebody I don't know, and he created this method, or she, of cooking, which heats up the whole pot, or the bottom of it. It's an efficient way, but it uses a lot of electricity and kind of uses your bill. Convection is a way of heating up water and cooking food. So, you know when your water boils, it kind of makes those swirly little bubbles? That's because of the heat that makes it swirl in this way. It kind of spreads out the heat. So it's a better way of cooking. You can use it with heat or conduction, whatever. And there's radiation. So microwave uses radiation to cook food. The radiation hits some water molecules, which heats up and then cooks your food. Simple, but kind of hard. So some food expands when you heat them up, like butter, which melts into a little puddle, and bread turns into toast, which has a dark color and tasty smell. So there you go, some ways to cook your food and not drink your spoiled milk. Bye guys.